Hello my people. In this video, we will see how to save TikTok video without posting without watermark. Yes, the first pass is obviously open the app, in this case TikTok, and we go to the inbox, this option, and next we go to the take a photo. For example, this photo or video. Anyway, the next pass is go to this option and select save here. Select this option, and here you have two options: save with watermark, content will uploaded to our server for moderation and then delete, or post to save without watermark. We have three options because we have a post to the story to save without watermark. In this case, select the option post to save without watermark. This here. Wait a minute, and ready. Video posted, follower can be shared. Select note now. We have the video and select 3 points. Select save video, click in allow, and video save. And well, that's all for how to save TikTok video without posting without watermark. And that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.